Welcome to Tweetful Educational Series. We are going to look at proven tips to improve your Twitter engagement. 1. Engage with other user content. If you want other users to engage with your content, always interact with their first. Like, respond to, and retweet your users' content when you can. Following them also can help. 2. Retweet other users' tweets. I'm singling out retweeting as engagement because this is what most users value the most. Not only you like their content, but you value it enough to share it. 3. Keep your tweets brief. Limiting our posts just a little more can increase engagement. According to multiple data, the sweet spot for the number of characters is between 80 and 110 characters, including hashtags and user tags, especially if you want to increase retweets. 4. Share a variety of links. If you want to get clicks to your site, the best way to do is to put links in your tweets. Include links to content from others as well. Use shortened links. 5. Respond when someone tweets to you. Doing your best to respond in some way when a user tweets to you can go a long way. 6. Know your peak hours. Some studies have shown that posting between 12 to 3 p.m. on Mondays through Fridays is among the best time, while others have found slightly different peak hours. Test and find your sweet spot. 7. Always use hashtags. Hashtags are an essential part of Twitter usage. Audience can find you through the hashtags. They also increase engagement. 8. Share images. If you're not posting images on at least some of your tweets, you should be. Case studies have shown that tweets with images get 330% more engagement. 9. Post videos. Videos continue to trend and can outperform images. Twitter video allows you to either record a new video from your smartphone or upload an existing video. 10. Ask for retweets. Believe it or not, asking for a retweet directly within your post can increase engagement in the form of retweets. It sounds simple, but it works. 11. Don't tweet too much. Multiple case studies have shown that tweeting between 1 and 3 times a day is ideal frequency for brands and offered the highest engagement levels. Once they posted 4 or more in a day, engagement actually decreases. 12. Space out your tweets. Spacing your tweets out evenly either through your peak hours will increase the number of audience members who might see your posts, helping to increase engagement because of it. 13. Ask questions. People love to give their opinions and share their experiences, especially if they think the brand who is asking might listen. Twitter's interactive polls are an effective way to ask questions of your audience. 14. Use power words. Using power words and superlatives can increase clicks on it. Examples of good power words include improve, immediately, bonus, exclusive, protect, how to, complete. 15. Use Twitter cards. Twitter cards offer an opportunity to add in more content to your tweet. It will make your tweet larger and makes it more dynamic and rich. 16. Recycle great content. If you posted great content once and it did well, you can extend it by using it again. 17. Run viral Twitter contests. One of the best ways to skyrocket your interactions is to run contests or social media giveaway. If you're not sure about which contest to use, here are some fun ideas that you can consider. Post an image and start a caption contest. Post questions that the followers can answer. Ask followers to tweet images with specific hashtags. Retweet, like, or follow to enter contests. 18. Add humor with GIFs and memes. Media like GIFs and memes are super popular on social media and can be a great talking point to your followers. GIFs and motion graphics are especially popular around holidays and are topics that are trending, and the movement grabs attention. 19. Create or participate in Twitter chats. Your Twitter activity should be about building relationships and conversation with your target audience. So creating or participating in a Twitter chat is the perfect chance to start conversation in real time. 20. Use emojis to stand out. Emojis can express emotion beyond simple words. So if you want to express gratitude to your followers, include kiss, heart, or hug emoji.